that sound in the motor of this car? Or okay, maybe not the motor because this is a trailer car, but that really doesn't sound right. Or MR-63. I guess that's the reason why they're going to be retired as of next year, or starting to be retired next year with the new Metro cars coming. Yep. And it stops when the train starts moving. That's pretty nuts. I still love these cars. I'm going to miss them. Ooh, windy. Woo! Seems a bit like a boring job to be sitting in the back of a Metro on the yellow line for, I don't even know how long the shifts are, but wait, that's it.